Hey there, people. How are you today? 420 Rob, that's me. I've been treating chronic nausea for 32 years with flour for a long time, and now I use dabs because it does it a lot quicker. And for me, dabs are an effective way of getting the medicine into my bloodstream so it can travel around my body and do the good things it does for me. Get the medicine into my lungs so it can get into my lungs and do the cleaning out that it needs to do in there. And so I'm not afraid of using marijuana. And I'm not afraid to say that I do it. I don't do it to get high, although I do get quite high with the things I do. So, yay for me. Anyhow, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about COPD today. I'm going to show you, pretty much I've done 2 videos in this group, and there was such an overwhelming response to them, I decided to just put this on YouTube and get this out there for people to see. And then just sharing it in the group and sharing it with groups, and then they can share it and get it out there. So this is what I do. We'll start with super cough syrup. I call it super cough syrup because I take your normal over-the-counter Tustin DM, I don't know if I even have enough left in here. Oh yeah, I do. Cool. And I take a dose of Tussin DM if I remember to 4 times a day. 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. I'm not awake at 11 p.m. So the end of the day is there. But you're only allowed 4 doses a day. Note that I take 4 doses at the max. Sometimes I miss a dose. No matter. 2 of those doses, usually the first 2, because I don't like to do it late in the day, I put in this A-pinene stuff from Floraplex. I put 1 milliliter of Floraplex A-pinene into a 10 milliliter shot of cough syrup. And then I've got super cough syrup. You can see it's probably like, I probably got more like 2 milliliters there, but I just pour it in. I cooked for too long, man. I don't want to measure stuff anymore. I didn't even measure stuff when I cooked. All that good stuff. Yeah, I lick the cup to get all the good stuff out. Don't you want all the good stuff in you?
No.
I don't hand it to someone else and ask them to lick it.
This is your wife.
Okay.
What's her name?
So now to make my stomach feel really good, I'm going to do the second video. And I say make my stomach feel really good.
Yes.
This is taking too much orange juice for me today. But I wanted to get this done, and I'm that committed to getting this information out there for people. So this is the second thing I do. What I do for the aches and pains. Because when your body is working all day long, super hard just to go to the bathroom, just to eat food, just to walk from the living room to the kitchen to the bedroom, you start to develop aches and pains throughout the day too. And when I was complaining about that to a friend of mine, he suggested that I start putting creatine in my diet. I did a little research. Not gonna hurt me. I'll try it. I put the creatine in my stuff, and it started working within a few days. I was not having aches and pains anymore. I still get, every now and then, I get the shoulder pain. I think a lot of people complain about the shoulder pain, and I take gabapentin from my doctor when I get that. But when I get just the normal, like just aches, in your arms and in your legs is what I'm more talking about. When your hips just ache, or your calf, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I get the orange juice, just anything. Actually, I'm going to use this udder juice just for fun. And what I don't know is I've never taken 2 doses of creatine in one day. It's an over-the-counter supplement from Walmart. It can't hurt you. They do testing on that stuff. So I got some mango punch I'm going to add to it today.
incapacity.
Add it to today.
It's simply a refusal. As if by this
I don't have a spoon, so you get to see another little trick that I have if I don't have a spoon in here in the morning when I do it. Oh, I don't have any orange juice in here anyhow. Whoa, we gotta fix that today. Vortex. Creatine. Remember what's going on, Rob. That's always a good idea. So, as someone asked me about the dosage, I don't know. It's whatever that scoop is. The scoop comes in the can.
I can look at what you took.
The can is at Walmart.
It's work.
I just put it, dump it in the cup. And usually I have a spoon in here to stir it all up with, but I'll use my dab wand.
I haven't tasted it.
Whatever, just to get it stirred up. I'll dry that off before I use it again.
You have a very beautiful
That tastes pretty good. Alright guys, well there you go. That's super cough syrup and creatine in your juice in the morning. You guys have a great day. Live long, fight hard. The battle doesn't get lost till you give up. Victory comes when we dance with our Father. So, that's how we have to live it.